Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp, and in this video we are going to do an example video using one of the functions of Itertools. So specifically we are going to use combination. So if you don't know, combination just takes each and every possible combination from a list. So what we are going to do is create a random list of random numbers. I don't know what numbers are going to be picked up. We will give n is equal to suppose 15, and what we will try to find out is how many of these items when added together will form 15. So let's start with importing random. From random import randint, and from Itertools let's import combinations. And once we have create a list 1 is equal to randint of between 1 to 12 for I in range 15. Actually let's go with 10. So let's print out list 1 to see if our list is generating random numbers. So we have this list. Each time you will see we are getting different list. Now what happens if I do comp is equal to list of combinations of list 1 and a combination of 2, and we also need to print out list combination, so comb. So let's run this and you will see 11 and 2, 11 and 8, 11 and 3. So it is trying to do a combination of each one of this. Now define a number. Let's go with 10. So what we will do is for item in combination comb, we have to print out the item. So let's see what the items are coming in. So we have these items and we need to find which of these items sum is going to be 10. So for that I can actually do item of 0 and item of 1. So this will break it down as two numbers. Now I have these two numbers. So if item of 0 plus item of 1 is equal to n, which is our number 10, print item. So I'm just going to print out the item, and then actually let's do item sum is n, else print no items sum is adding up to n. So I need to do an F over here, and once we have this, each and every time it is printing this out, which is pretty bad. So we don't need this because every time it is not adding the sum up to 10, it is printing it out. So we don't need that. So let's remove it and print. So 8 and 2 sum is 10. 8 and 2 again came up because there are 8 and 2 over here, and 7 and 3 sum is 10. So I can restart. We don't have anything here. I can restart. 1 and 9, 3 and 7, 6 and 4, 1 and 9, 8 and 2. So we can change this to 15 and run this, and we will also find it for 15, which is pretty fascinating. Let's do 12 and see if it gives. So yeah, we are getting hit for any number that we are putting in. But I think this is a pretty good program for combinations because you get a better understanding of how to use combinations and when it can be used. So I think that is it for this example video. I hope you guys learned something new, and once you have this, actually push it to your GitHub because it really helps a lot when people who are trying to find you or recruit you Python projects in your GitHub. It helps out. So do push your Python code to GitHub, and that's it. I will see you guys in the next video.